Step 13, vouchers. If vouchers were collected with the census, we can also upload them at the same time as the census data altogether. Just need to know three things: the collection numbers, the collector code, and the herbarium that they will be deposited in. So first we will check our voucher codes. Here, they all need to be in this format with the three letters comprising the collector's initials and then the number of each collection. We also need to fill in the voucher collected column. If the voucher was collected from each tree, you enter 1. If it's not, but it's the same as another collected tree, we enter 0. So we have vouchers with this data. Now we need to check for a couple of things. We can do this using pivot tables. So we insert a pivot table and remove the default values. So the first thing we want to check for is that any trees with the same voucher code have the same determination. So in row labels, we enter voucher code and species. And here are the results. Yep, we can see that for each voucher code, there's only one determination. All of these are without a voucher. So, okay, that's fine. The second check is that we only should have one collected tree per voucher code. So we remove the species from the row labels, keep voucher code there, and then in the values column, we want the sum of collected. And here are the results. So we've got one voucher that doesn't have any collected tree and another voucher with 2 collected trees. So we need to go back to our original field sheets, look up those voucher codes and check which is the collected tree for each, and then correct our data.